Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Guys, I've been asked this question a number of times, and I still get asked this question. This is not nothing really new, but some of the questions that I get asked, and I go out and do little research and things, a lot of times I just sit here and I just think about it. And I think maybe one or two people, I believe two people asked me, was it okay to put diatomaceous earth in their clothes? And I said I wouldn't put it in my clothes. And I wouldn't. Not if I'm putting it in the clothes and I'm gonna wear it with diatomaceous earth in it. Excuse me. I just had egg salad crackers and then I'm drinking mushroom coffee. But I would put diatomaceous earth in my clothes, especially the dry cleaning clothes. And that's, I think, what's mostly everyone's concern, dry cleaning. But yeah, I would probably put it in a bag and put diatomaceous earth in the bag and seal the bag up. And I probably would leave it closed maybe for 2 weeks. And everything that's in it should definitely be expired. The bug should be expired by then. I would tie the bag up. I would make sure I shake the powder around really good and put it in the clothes if you believe bed bugs are in your clothes. I would put diatomaceous earth in there, tie the bag up. Now, once I know that my clothes are bug free, I have no more bugs, then I will get them dry cleaned. But I would first make sure that there are no bugs in my clothes, that I'm not taking to the dry cleaners and spreading them to other people. And yeah, that's what I would do. So I think it is a good idea to put it in your dry cleaning clothes. There is a mixative that you can put in your laundry for bed bugs. There's just a mixative that you can mix with your regular laundry detergent in your wash to kill bed bugs. So I will add the mixative as well as diatomaceous earth in the description. And also, I need to actually start saying this every time I speak about diatomaceous earth. Mask. I do have a video on mask, and I'll link that video. I'll link the video to the mixative and to diatomaceous earth. Because I really do believe that it's, it is okay. It is okay. You're putting diatomaceous earth all through your home and everything. So if you're putting it in your clothes and you're tying your clothes up and you're giving it some time for the powder to work to kill the bugs, and then once the bugs are dead and you dispose of everything properly, take your clothes to the dry cleaners. I would take them to the dry cleaners after that and then get them dry cleaned to wear. But I would definitely make sure that there are no live active bugs in any of the clothing before you take it to the dry cleaning. Okay, guys, I wanted to come back and say that because people, I understand sometimes we spend quite a bit of money on our clothes, especially like particular jobs we may have where we have to wear dress clothes all the time, blazers and things like that. And a lot of us wear dry cleaning only. So yep, that's what I would do if it was me. That's what I would do. I'll see you guys in the next video.